So hey guys, Vineet here again, and we are going to the Jeep Safari in Dubai. So this is our third vlog in Dubai, and last time I was in this Burj Khalifa, and this time we are going to Jeep Safari, and it's really nice because we have sunset there, and I want to click some pictures of sunset as well. So we will see how it's gonna work, and then I have today really special friend and colleague.
Hello.
And we will see around this thing, and I think it's we are there for 5 or 6 hours, and I think it will be fun. We'll go and watch, and we have some more our friends here.
Hi.
Hello.
One more here. So actually we are traveling together, so it will be fun. So guys, we are halfway around from the place where in the port. We were in the port, and we are halfway. It takes 1 hour to this desert safari to reach the point, and then I'm really glad, I'm really happy. I'm excited to see this place, and I want to click some pictures, and I want to enjoy this place. And we have really nice driver, and he's from Pakistan, and he's showing us around, and he told me I don't know if you can see this, but this tree, our national tree in Dubai, and then I will see it when I will reach the place, and then we will see. Hey guys, look at there, a lot of camels, and we are in the camel race, and our tour guide told us that it's a 8-kilometer long trail, and they make the camel race here. And unfortunately we can't stop here because we don't have much time here. We have to reach our place for desert. So, but it's really beautiful here. Look at there, there's a camel. So guys, finally we are in desert in Dubai, and the problem is this sand. This sand is so much hard to walk, and I think we have to go now. We have to go to the desert more of we came in a place where they have to, I think, remove some air for desert safari, they told me, and it's really hard to walk here, but it's fun. It's really desert all around this desert. So we will see us. I'm really tired because I was running in the desert, and I saw a lot of things, and I'm really happy. Actually, I'm really excited for this. Never been in desert before, so you can see in my face. I hope I will get a lot of good memories here, and we will see. And I have to go now with my car ahead because we are going towards somewhere. I don't know, my first time. So we will see us. This one.
There is nothing here. How they can burn the fire and they cook their food. They use this one as a fire. If you will rub, the fire will come out. And there is no stones here. You have seen everywhere. So this bush's name is fireman.
So this is the bushes, they call it fire. And we are going back really fast in the car.
Oh my god. Ich war lange noch was dabei.
Wir wollen das Video dann am Ende auch sehen.
Safari, and now I have to hold this because of this. Seriously talking, when I was thinking about desert safari, I was thinking, okay, we will go to the desert and just that's it. And now, oh my oh, this is desert safari. Okay. I have.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh fuck!
So here we have a stop for 15 minutes
Okay.
everywhere, and then I will tell you where we will go.
Okay.
So we have to take pictures. Then I will take the funny pictures.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
It was an overall nice experience. Really nice experience. Our stop is here. And you guys enjoyed this safari?
Of course.
It's like, wow. It's like rough sea if you've ever been to the cruise ship. Okay, guys. We just came back from this drizzling tour, and I'm really, I can feel in my stomach something. But we have 15-minute stop in nowhere, and then look at there. There's a lot of people, and there's a lot of cars. And thanks to my friend, he make our videos while we were doing this safari. And I will make some videos now, photos. And here is our friend.
Hello.
How was the experience?
Great, as
Yeah, no?
usual. Yeah.
So guys, finally we are in the camp. There is a camp after the jeep safari. Jeep safari is really nice, but I had something in my stomach, like it's really goes like this and this. You can see in the video. And now, right now, we are in the camp, and there's a lot of things to do. So we have sheesha, we have alcohol. If you want, you can come here. It's really nice place. And there's a camel behind me. So there's a lot of camels. There's a lot of cars with us. And it's a kind of night, and they told me that in the night they will turn off every light and we can see the stars. So it will be a great idea. And look at the cameras so we can see from the close.
Maybe you hold tight. Jump, sir. Jump on. Jump on. Very good.
Yes. Hold
You
tight,
jump, sir.
lean back.
Please, maybe hold tight, hold lean back, please. Well done. Well done.
Okay, sir, please. Hold tight, lean back. Yes, please. Okay. Hold tight, lean back.
Yeah.
You are behind the 5 camels. Oh Beppe, è sempre al mio fianco, Jimmy.
So guys, we are inside the place and we have Arabic coffee. Really, you know, it's a coffee, really coffee.
Cheers.
Oh, then you come here. Cheers.
Cheers.
So guys, this is the place. There's a shop and there's a food corner and there's also food corner. How's your experience with this tour?
It's great.
Yeah, na?
We're looking forward to a nice dinner now in the camp, and then we can watch the belly show and then stargazing.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this stargazing. I don't know if I can make the video or photo with the stargazing because I'm not aware with the GoPro that much
yeah.
with the stargazing.
Yeah,
But I will try.
we will try.
So guys, it's time to eat something and here is really special place. You have to sit in the down and this is my food. It's a bit dark here, but you can sit here and then you can eat. It's like a little camp So how is the food? You like it?
It's very good.
Yeah?
Yes, I like it.
Because it's completely different for you, like, oh yeah,
It's different, but it's very
nice.
very nice.
Do you
Yes.
like this shawarma?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, no?
Yes. I'm happy about the meat. I hope. I hope
Oh
so.
yeah, I'm waiting for it. And what about the sheesha?
Shisha, we will try
After
it
food?
after food. Yes, of course.
Video ke khabar hi mako.
So guys, we just got our sheesha and then here is the first try. Oh, nice. Cool. So guys, finally we have sheesha. I wanted to try from long time in Dubai and then oh, it's a double apple.
Yes, of course. It smells like double apple.
So if you're in Dubai and you're not smoking shisha, then yeah, come on, like you have to, okay? Try it. There's a dance going on. I don't know the dance, but there's a dance going on. But I'm going back to the shisha. I ran for this thing, but it's too far, and then light is not nice. And this is the only thing. Like when you're doing this, there's a lot of things going on with the lights and all. Okay, it's a bit dark, but I came back. So guys, it was a really nice day. We've been to in desert safari. We saw the sunset, and then we came to this beautiful place. We had really good food, and now we are having shisha. And and yeah, this is the end of this vlog, and I hope you will like this vlog. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please comment and let me know like what you like, what you don't like about this video, what you think about this place. This tour is Dubai Safari by Emirates, and it's really nice one, really nice one. I think if you are in Dubai, I will suggest you to come to this tour. It's really nice. You can search about desert safari in Google and all, so you can check my other videos as well. And I want to say you goodbye for this time, but I will come soon with another video in another place and another information. So keep tuned, and we will see us next time. And by the way, I want to say my thanks to my friends we enjoyed a lot. We were in car and everything, and there's also two more my friends there. And then we are just like tired, and now we are just want to go to our ship. So see you guys next video. I don't know where I will be, but I will come soon.